Today we introduce a hot-selling model, DX68. There is a removable version of this machine, DX68W. A version with a quick change tool, DX68F, which you can purchase according to your needs. This machine has a maximum pressure of 500 T and can crimp 1/4, 2, 1, 4 layers of hydraulic hose. The speed of crimping is 200-360 pieces per hour. Equipped with 10 sets of molds and can be customized according to special needs. The operation of this machine is very simple. First, measure the pipe fittings to be crimped. Then select the matching mold to start the installation. The standard model of crimping machine needs to install abrasives one by one. If you want to install the mold more quickly, you can choose a machine with a quick change tool. For example, DX68F, HF32, and P52, etc. Then adjust the micrometer according to the crimp size. Insert the hydraulic hose to be crimped. Turn on the power. Press compound die button to start crimping. Click on the open die button after crimping is completed. Remove the hose after the mold is loosened. We then get a crimped hose assembly. This machine has two modes of point action and semi-automatic. Pointing mode requires manual pressing of the closing button all the time to complete the operation. The semi-automatic mode automatically completes the closing operation by simply pressing the closing button. We have other hydraulic equipment and related products that will be demonstrated in the videos that follow. Those who have a need for this can click to subscribe. See you in the next video.